Hello, today I'm in Renault Kadjar. In this video I'll show you how to use steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can manage cruise control and speed limiter. We can increase the speed, decrease the speed, pause and reset. Of course, when you press right here you will use horn. On the right side of the steering wheel we've got the panel thanks to which we can navigate through instrument cluster settings. Also we can use voice assistant and we can answer and end the calls. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.